Hello everyone, welcome to my video. My name is Ahmed and I'll be your ICT teacher today with a small demo. So we have something called the matrix code from the background. We have here a question. What do you notice or what do you see? Exactly. You see everything on this screen is made of two numbers 0 and 1. Amazing. Okay, so let me give you this. Everything that you see, this background, the text you are writing, the music that you are hearing coming out from any output device like the speaker or whatever. Also the videos that you're seeing, okay, the clips, all of these things are made of only 1 and 0. That's it. Okay, 1 and 0. And by the way, this is also the language of the computer. Okay? Okay. So I have here a question, and the question says, how can a computer store your photo, video games, and messages using only two numbers, 0 and 1? Okay? By the end of our topics today, you will know the answer. Okay. What can you see here? We have a picture, we have something, like lamps. Okay, what are these things? We have two names. If you know one of them, it will be amazing. Okay, these are called transistors, or we call it switches. Okay. What are the switches are used for in the computer? Okay. Today we have two things to talk about: the human vs the computer language, and the computer language is the 0 and the 1, as we said before. So we as humans, we speak what we speak language, the English, right? Amazing. And we are dealing with what kind of numbers, the 0, the 1, the 2, the 3. This is called base 10. But why our numbers called, or our denary number is called the base 10? Do you know why? Because we have how many fingers? How many? Exactly, 10. Base 10, 10 fingers. Exactly. So, why 10? Because we have 10 fingers. Amazing. We use not the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, but we use 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, these are the digits that is used in our system. But why is that? Why is that? Why we are using the 0, not the 1? Because when we want to say 10, that means it's a combination between the 1 and the 0. That means the first two digits, right? Amazing. Okay. So, for example, the 25, it's a combination from two numbers, 2 and the 5, right? Amazing. Now, VS, that means versus the computer language. Okay, it's called our language. It's called Denary. Okay, base 10. Okay, what about the computer language? Okay, base 10, this would be 0 and 1. That means how many numbers? 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? Exactly, 2. Okay, the computer speak binary base 2. Amazing. Okay, why 2? Because we run, the computers run on electricity. Switches are either off, that means 0, or on, that means what? 1. Such an amazing thing to know, right? So we have two things, right? So whether it's on or off, on or off, on or off. Okay? Okay. So the computer run on electricity, switches are either off, that means 0, or on, that means 1. Okay, amazing. So the digits used are only 0 and 1. Amazing. So we have here an example. As you see, this number, okay, this number. Okay, can you please count with me how many digits we have here? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why 8? Why not 2? Why not 10? Why not 15? Okay, we will know also that in our session. Okay, so here I want you to know what the meaning of bit, what the meaning of byte, what the meaning of binary, what the meaning of denary. So the binary means 2 or 10. By. Binary. By the way, means 2. Okay, by, that means 2. Okay, okay. Binary, here, okay, binary, computer switches, language, base 2. Right? Right. Okay, okay. So the denary, standard human counting system, that means the base 10. Amazing. Okay, we have something called byte, we have something called bit. Okay, so the bit is a single switch, either 0 or 1 is a single switch. Okay, with either it's what, 1 or 0, 1 0 1 0. Okay, okay. The byte, okay, on the other hand, the byte, a group of 8 bits, 8 bits with 8 switches, whether it's turned on or off. Okay, everyone? They are 8 switches together. Okay, maybe it will be turned on, maybe it will be turned off. Okay, everyone? Okay, now we have small activity. Okay, everyone, why do computers use binary? Why do computers use binary? We have here 4 answers. They understand English, they work with electricity on or off, they like small numbers, they have 10 fingers. Okay, I don't know. I have here down some methods for help. Okay, so we have now 3 answers. Why do computers use binary? They work with electricity on and off. Okay, in binary, what does on represent? 0 or 1? On. Who remembers? Who remembers? On. Exactly, 1. Okay, what number system do computers use? Decimal or binary or base 10? Computers? Exactly, binary. Amazing. Now, which pair correctly matches the system and its base? We have decimal base 16, no. Binary base 10, no. Decimal base 2, no. Binary base 2, yes. Okay. Why do humans use the decimal system? Because we have 10 fingers, or because it is faster, or because computers use it, or because it uses letters. The decimal, because we have 10 fingers. Okay. What or which digit is not used in the decimal system? Not used digit, not used in the decimal system. Yes, the 8 bits, right? Which digits are used in the binary system? In the binary system, 0 to 9, 2 and 3. Okay, I think the same thing. 1 to 9, the same thing. Only 0 and 1, yes. Okay. In binary, what does off represents of? Exactly, 0. Okay. Which of these is a binary number? 100 or 0001101 or 25 or 987? If you noticed, these three numbers, it's a combination from 0 till 9. That's it. Till 0 till 9. 100 till 0 till 9. 25, 987. Only this number is the one that we are seeking for because they are 8 digits. Okay? The number 25 is an example of which number in the system? I don't know. Okay, let's use this. I think the 25 decimal, hexadecimal, octal, binary. Yes, decimal. Okay, what number system do humans use every day? That, exactly, decimal base 10. Okay, true or false, computers understand only 0 and 1. True or false? True, yes. Okay, here, which statement is true? Computers normally use decimal. Computers use binary because electricity has on and off states. Binary uses digits, 0 to 9. Humans normally use binary. What do you think? I don't know. Let's use this one. I think this one. Yes. Okay, which system has only 2 digits? Exactly, the binary. Thank you, everyone. I hope you had fun with me in this lesson, and I wish to see you next week. See you and bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye.